Okay, are we on? Are we on? Yes, we are. So let's start everything from scratch. I will have this just in place. I need to remember things. And I'll be cleaning up for a little bit because there are things that I don't actually need. Okay, let's go. Let's go with Django. I will do also React. Okay, let's create a environment variable for this. Environment variable, what I'm saying, this is the virtual environment. Okay, now let's install Django. Okay, now let's create a project. Fullbar. No? Start project. Yes, that's it. That is it. That is it. Okay, now let's see. Python manage the pipe. Do we have help? Amazing, yeah, we do. So we'll do show migrations. We already have things in here. Okay, I have my Beam updated. Do I need to update this as well? Let's see. No, not for now. Let's do that later. But yeah, I will update my system. I like to do that. It's a tick. Okay. That one's okay. I let the sit up. No? Which one was this? And top, sit up. Okay. That's fancy stuff. Okay, let's go. Let's go. So let's say now I want to create app, which is gonna be, what can we create? Pets owners, pets and owners, and what else? Trainers. Libraries, computer store, market, price, products, a market where farmers can offer products, shops. Let's do books. Books. Now, should this be plural or singular? Plural or singular? Let's do it. Let's do singular for now. Ooh. what's wrong here? What is wrong? Book. Yeah, let's do books. Let's. Okay. What else? Book, library. Customer. Okay. So what we need to do now is to add everything in the settings file. Install applications. Let's see here. What we're gonna have is book. It was plural. Okay. Library and customers. So call this customer. Okay. Now we're gonna have library models. Library model. It's gonna be. This will have. What's the title? Name. Yes. And there's gonna be models that char field of max length of 300. I don't know what's gonna be the best. Anyway, whatever is okay. So I'll try that one, and I will define the string version of it. We will return self-name. Does this work? It overwrites, yes. I'm doing like the suggested here. What is wrong? It's exactly the same. Mismatch. Incompatible manner. Char field. So this has to be something like this. String, because it's a char stream. Okay. Now let's go with a book, novels. Book title will be, okay, this can be text field. No files cannot be blank. Cannot be blank. Has to have a title. Now it works. No, it doesn't work. Okay. Library, authors, customer. Split. Okay. First name, equals. And we will create a string based on those two inputs. The turn. No, this is gonna be a tricky one. Self dot first name, self dot last name, string, string. Does this work? It seems to work. Book. Now the admin page. Well, let's see if this works first, because I don't know. Started to fail here. Operation too slow. What do you mean? That's all the internet I have. How you are asking me to have a better internet connection? I'm not yet rich, so go with it. Okay, how's this? I'll do the book admin that admin. Is that how it is? Let's see my helper. Model admin. Okay, I'm cheating here. This is the way. Now I will just say nothing to specify here. Register admin dot register, and I have to specify the model here, which is gonna be book. But I need to import this, so from models import book. So admin library. Let's do the same here. From models import library, yes, and admin register. This is going to be library. Okay, we're getting better. Class library admin that model admin pass. Something is not good. Something doesn't seem to be good. No, it's okay. It is okay. What else? Customer. Okay, from models import customer. I will register this one as customer. Customer admin that model admin, yes. Nothing to do here. Manage show migrations. Let's create the databases. Yeah. SQLite 3 of what? Okay, nothing created yet. Now it worked. Awesome. So make migrations. I won't specify anything because I want to create the migrations for everything. Now migrate. Boom. So how about that now? Amazing. I need a better SQLite client. Okay, this seems to be good. Little CLI. Let's see if I have this available. Little light CLI. Okay, so now I want to run server. Yeah, I want to see how my application is working now. Cool, it's working, finally. Debug through. I want to see the admin page, and I didn't create the user. Now, okay, let's see. Forward Python manage create super duper user. Alright, that's gonna be Dennis. Dennis is at localhost. Dennis. Yes. Dennis. Let's see what's gonna happen. Yes, it validates. It seems to be working great. No, I don't want this thing. Okay. I'm able to see stuff. Wait, libraries, customers, books. So it's making this plural. So I had something for that here. Variables name plural. Interesting. So let's fix the library because it's screwed. So classmate. So we'll create classmate self. No, it's a class, it's not a function. Variables name what's plural. It's gonna be, this is going to be libraries. That's the right name, yes. So what now? How to get this working? Make migrations, migrate. So what? Is that it? Little Clee. Oh, Little Clee is great. Amazing. Okay, SQLite describe a table. Yeah. Schema of what? The book. Yeah, this is really much better. Multi-line of, what do you mean? I want to be multi-line. Semicolon will end. So select from book. Amazing. I like this thing. This is little CLI. Little CLI, easy to remember. Oh yeah, and I wanted to see this libraries. I don't see any change here. And it's not working. It is not working. Classmate. Oh, is this because of this thing? Oh yeah, now it works. Libraries, customers, books, authentication and authorization, users and groups. Oh. I want to check this. So do I have the table users? Yes, I have. That's the alt module. We have a bunch of alt stuff. Then we have the book, then we have the customer, then we have Django related information. Django admin, content type, migration, sessions, library application, which means an application can have multiple models, and the relational models as well. Yes. Let's see the users. Oh, I see my name there. So that's the only table for users, meaning that I'm able to add more stuff here. Groups. What about the groups? No, nothing. What's this? Oh, I can hide. If I pick customers, if I pick books, this says add book. This is black and white theme. This is really amazing. I have everything in place. Is this for a SQLite only, not MySQL or anything like that? No, it's not. That's okay. Okay. So now let's continue now. Let's define, let's keep learning. Let's talk about the book. We need the authors. So we have authors additionally. So books, customers, authors, and the library. Yeah. That's gonna be the author novels.novel. The author's gonna have a first full name. Char field of max length of, yeah, whatever. Yeah, that's it. Author admin. Admin, that model admin, nothing special. We specify the registration of the model author. Can I do this? No. Yeah, because I don't have the settings added here. Okay, something is wrong. No module author. What? I did it wrong. So let's actually rename this one. I want to keep consistency. Not authors. Author. Yeah. Okay, what's complaining about? What is this complaining about? What's this? The app configuration. Interesting. It has its name. We can have a custom name if we want. Okay. Okay, clear. Okay, everything in place. Yes. Now we have one more item here, which is authors. So let's say we will have the book, which is book model, which will have authors, which is models many to many, and I have to specify front What now? Authors. So how do I specify that? Okay, this has to be something. Is it? No, I don't think it works like that. So for that author, and I specify here author related table books. Is that how it works? Show migration. Okay, it is failing. No module named foobar. Okay, so what now? Okay, let's see the examples. Let's see one that has many-to-many relationship. The relationship. So how this work is, it has everything in one single place. That's not good. Okay, that's a tricky one. Okay, how to do that then? The full path within the package. If test is another app, will work, but you'll still need to complete form. Could not be resolved. Book author. So this is a different error. Is this a different one? Non-module name book.author. No, that's right. What about this? Attempt relative import. Yeah, this will lead to this thing to solve it. So help me Stack Overflows. Help me, I don't want to go to ChatGPT. Relative import beyond top level package. Installed apps. So I have the author here. Which is an application that should be accessible. But it seems that it's not. having a different user. Cannot import name author from author. It's able to access it. It's able to access to it. The only thing is that I need to specify is the models. Oh, it is working. Many to many rel. Yes, I mean. Wait. Many to many failed. No, not rel. Okay, we're getting something. We're doing it. We are doing it. Related name books. We got a pretty similar situation. It's the same. Got unexpected keyword related table, so that's wrong. Related name. Now it works. So I want to see what's that name. Okay, I wanted to repeat the same command, but I wanted to change this. Migrate. Okay, it's migrated now. Let's see. The schema of what is me? There's no such situation. Okay, so we got book authors, but wait, schema book authors, create tables. We got auto increment, references book ID, author ID. What about don't we have describe? There's no such thing like describe. Okay, what else? What about the user? No. The author. We just have one author. Book. I don't see my me anywhere. Okay, anyway, let's go with shell. Yes. What kind of shell is this? Okay, let's see. So let's create authors. From author models, import author. Now let's see. What do we need to have for the author model? Just the full name. So let's say A1 is gonna be author. Okay, so there are two ways to create things. So let's do first this one, where we specify the full name is gonna be Pepito Juarez. Okay. Dot save. Go. We should have something here. Okay, Pepito Juarez. Okay, that works. And then the other way to do is objects to create full name Rosita Sanchez. So what just happened? Okay, it got created. So now that we have a couple of authors, let's create one more there. I don't like to do this, it's not that interactive. Irina Pomada. No, it failed. Oh, well, I have to do this. Save. Okay, what happens if I do this twice? Nothing happened. What happens if I do 8.1 full name Irina Nueva and I do save? Oh, it got updated. But what if I do 2 and I say update? Doesn't have update. Oh, okay. So what if I do delete? It got deleted. So what if I do save? Because the object still exists. No, it doesn't exist anymore. It exists in memory, and I have a new ID. Okay, I have 3 users, 3 authors. Now let's create the book. Okay, my video is ready.
Substrings matching.
It's going to be a great material.
We have
Great material. Now what? Where's the music? There is no music here. What's going on with the music? I'll pull this one here. Now we have music. Beautiful. Copyright-free music. Okay, getting fun here. I'm getting fun. Yeah, I'm happy. Yeah. So now let's go and create the book, as I say. So let's say book 1 is gonna be. So. Oh. Okay, I'm able to explore. Can I do dict on A1 and see what kind of object is this? maybe there. So that will show to me all the available things that it has available, and I can see the me thing here, which is supposed to be the reference. Oh, and the help. So we got there, help. Oh, 1 second. What was that? So far. Python basics. No. PyTorch. Python tutorial. Python notes. No, it wasn't this. Python crash tutorial. Structures, queuing, modules, input output, Azure classes. There. Yeah, there can help. Study it. Yeah, that's it. So this is the help. Help on author is a module of blah blah blah. And this is the resolution order of the object. So the base model alters data, string, it has a full name, it has an ID which is an inheritance. Data descriptor is the descriptors defined here, me. Does not exist, that's an attribute. Object. It has its manager, I read that in the book. It has a bunch, it has the save function, save base, serializable, the dict, dictionary for instance variables. Let's see what's dict. Oh no, I don't want the help. So I'm getting the to dictionary, so I can see the full value of this thing, and I see the ID, I see the full name, I see this private variable state. Amazing. So can I do this? ID, full name, and what about state? Cool. So what's this? Model state. This is the state of the model. So I think I can look into that if I do type as well. Yeah, I can do the same. All right, so let's create a book. Book models, import book. So book one is gonna be book, which gonna have the title of let's say violent Python. That's it. So we want to add authors, and now we'll say this one. No. Okay, so it's gonna be b1 to that authors that add. No. It has a valid ID, come on. Okay, what's the problem here? B1 authors add, and I want to add this particular user. So what's the problem? book value, and Python needs to have a value for field ID before this many-to-many relationship can be used. So let's save this then. So it means now can I see the dictionary Bible and Python? So no way to have everything from this book. I got this, but what about being one? I mean, authors. So I want this to be formatted. I don't see it clean. So if I do B1, oh no, help B1. Can I see the authors? Yes, I can see the authors. Data and other attributes defined here. But doesn't say anything about the relationship. Nothing at all. Methods. I see the ID, title. That's what I define here. What about the me? I'm able to see it. Okay. So now what about the database? Same authors. I see the book. So book ID number 1 has author ID .4. Okay, that's great. That is great. So now what if I want to pull one specific author? Okay, I have 1, 2, 4. I want the user number 2, which is, yeah, let's say by ID for now, just for now. So user author number 2 is gonna be books objects that get, and I will see the ID number 2. It is not books, it is book. Okay, interesting. Yeah, I mean objects. Trace back. So what's failing here? Before I change. Okay, let's try filter. So ID number 2, is that how it works? Yeah, I mean objects, sir, does not exist. I'm insane. Author. What if I do without this? It has to be with the keyword name. So what about now? So now we'll say book1.authors.add. Let's see if I can do this. A1 is already in there, but let's see what it does. It worked. And it's stored. It got stored. So now let's see B1 authors, what I'm going to have. So I have the many-to-many relationship object. How to iterate this? For X, for in a dot's full name. Not iterable. Okay. Okay, but at least I was able to create objects. That's great. I had to do more. Let's do the filters. A3 is gonna be outer dot objects dot filter by ID number 1. Yeah. Exclude ID number 1. A3? No. Amazing. But what about all outers? Does this work? It works. It's a query set. It's working. Theory is working. Okay, now let's go out. Let's get out of here. Now let's do React. Okay, here we have the example on how to create a React application. Let's see, nfx create React app. Okay, create React app, template, TypeScript. Yarn create React app. I like Yarn. I like Yarn. This doesn't exist. Yeah, it should exist. Let's install this thing. And let's do Yarn create. It's pretty much the same. React app. Oh, didn't work. Unexpected. npx create React. My app template TypeScript. This worked. Okay to proceed? Yes. Okay to proceed. Okay, it is installing stuff. This is great. React app development. Okay. So how to start? Where to start now? This is creating a button. Okay. I really need more simpler examples. I don't think it's gonna work. Okay, it's insane. Am I supposed to type all of that? Wow. 5,000 lines to learn React. Form submission. Okay, we got 74 lines to type. So while this is, it already worked. It already worked. Start, didn't work. Trying to work, worked. Okay. So what we got here? We have the main application TSX. Now, because we are talking about TypeScript. Index CSS. Setup, readme, package, TypeScript, config. So it all starts, what's this app CSS? Nothing special. So it all starts over here. Ugh. What are all those errors? How to disable that? It's too noisy. It's too strict. That's why I see a lot of error messages over here. Implicitly has type any because no interface exists. It is complaining a lot. Wow, it's complaining a lot. I need to fix this. Not able to live with that. Alright, so we create a template. We create a component here which is called button form submission, buttons, action triggers. So let's create the button first. Children variant is loading on click, disable type. We define the styling. Get button styles. Base styles. We have some variants in order to define the primary, secondary, danger, success. And we return the base style. Okay, we can return something simpler. I can do that. Then I return the type, class name, the onClick function, disabled or is loading. If it's loading, then what? This syntax is killing me. What is this? So where does it start and where does it close? No closing. So it's creating a span, flex, justify center, the animation spin, a circle, a path. It's creating an object, SPG, loading, closing the span, and then finishing the thing. Okay. This is one option. The other option is children. So what's gonna be children? What is children? Children. Let's see. Nothing. So it will return the button, but it will not show if it's disabled. It will, or if it's loading, then it won't show the button. If it's loading, this effect's gonna be showed, and if not, children is gonna be showed I don't know what children is. Usage example. So how was this defined? Button properties. We define some functions in there, and then we have to define another component, which is the submit form example. No properties to be sent. It's loading, set loading, use state false, handle submit, set is loading true, simulate API call. Okay. After 2 seconds, the loading is gonna be false, and we will see the alert form submitted. It's pretty much it. Pretty simple. Let's go with it. Let's go. Let's go. This is nasty. Really nasty. Can we use another thing? Something different. First, let's use this. Much better. Yeah, much better. So now, let's create a button first. This will have okay, and we finish this like this, and what's the return? We should return This should be okay. No, we return the button. That's the one tag return, which is mandatory for React. Okay, we got that. And then here we have something. We have to specify what things we are gonna send. We will be sending, and that is children. I don't know what. Let's make it simple. Well, maybe not. Is it the content? I guess it's the content. Submit form button. Okay, we got 2 buttons here. Submit and cancel. Okay, man. Let's try to make it simple. So we got children. We got variants. No, I don't care about what variants. It's loading. By default false. We got the on click event. Disable false. Okay. Now that we have that, we define and we return the button. Type's gonna be button. Class name. I don't have any CSS frameworks, templates, or libraries, so whatever I put here is gonna be okay. Row on click gonna be, now we are sending a function as a parameter. Disable, is it disabled or not? It will depend. It's disabled or is it loading? Now here's the thing. If it's loading, oh, it changed. I don't like this. It's loading. Okay, now let's see. If it is loading, then I'm asking about that, then do this or do this other thing. So here I will say, I will just say bro, loading here. If not, I will show up the children. And button closes. Okay, what's wrong with that? Children. Don't like children or what? Then what's wrong with that? Unexpected talking. Did you mean this instead of this? Oh, are you expecting something here like this? Oh, interesting. No, not interesting. Children, any. So that's a warning. Children should be any. You don't like this. You want me to use this like this? No. So loading is it loading? I don't think that's the thing. It's complaining about the children. I knew it. Don't know what exactly is the, even although I'm doing it wrong, should be with this, because I'm already using brackets, so I don't need to use that thing. Okay, so this thing's that thing, this one is that one is that. What about this? There's a turn. How we are starting this? Let's say I get rid of this. Don't care about this. Seems better now. What about that thing? Primary what? What are you complaining about? Type button. Oh, type submit should be the right one. Are you complaining about that? Should be like this. On click. So it's complaining about the on click. It's too restrictive. Restrictive. Okay, I don't like the on click. Let's remove that. Still complaining. I'm not sure. Okay. Ugly, really ugly. Sample form is gonna be this. No need to specify anything. Okay, is that right? Yes, it is. Is loading, set is loading. Okay. I need the handle submit. Okay, let's return. Whatever. Yeah. So I will import the button here. Okay, which is expecting what? Texting my name here. Is loading disabled. Is loading. Comma separated? No, not like that. Disable what? No need to send a disable, which gonna be by default false. That's everything. Okay, this needs to be clean. Okay, it's complaining about this. It's loading, set is loading. Doesn't work for me. Use state. It doesn't know what the use state is. Okay, I need to type this one. Now you got that. So what's this other thing? It's not assignable to type. Intrinsic is loading boolean undefined disabled property. Are you complaining? Are you complaining? You're complaining about missing brackets. Am I missing something? Button. Yes, it is good. I'm doing it good. Okay, what about doing this? Ooh, what? So I'm not happy about it. There's no properties in common with type. Undefined is loading boolean. Undefined disable. Okay, it's complaining about the undefined one, undefined thing. Disable false. Is it because I'm missing comma maybe? Okay, what's happening here? What's this error? So the component doesn't seem to be good. Intrinsic is boolean. Undefined disable boolean undefined. What you mean? Okay, something's going on here. So what if I do just this? Works. I will call it here sample form. I'm doing it wrong. It has to be here. No? It's complaining about something. Intrinsic attribute, never. I don't see it. Yeah, React.js, it's hard. Really, really hard to use. Okay, I can see it there. Doesn't work. Property children doesn't exist. If I said then any will still complain. Okay. This is purely JavaScript issues. It's purely JavaScript. So what if I do this? Will it complain? Yeah, it is complaining. Amazing. Children. So how is card being used? So this is the children. I guess it's everything what is inside the tag is the children. I mean the content between the open and the closing tags is the children. Yeah, use children component. Props the children. Props the children. Binding element children because it has any type. Okay, some help. Interface. Props. Any props that come into the component. Okay, so yeah, I see that's missing. I don't have any interface that says this. React. Children's gonna be React. Button props. Const button. So let's see if this helps. Let's try this out. Interface button props. It's the same to what I'm planning to use. children is gonna be React node. Oh, this is TypeScript. The other one, what was the other one? Okay, that's okay. It's loading boolean. Disable. Doesn't matter. And then we say React FC button props, and we pass children is loading. Disable. Okay, we are doing it right now. Now we are doing it right. Right? Yes, we are doing it. On the bottom here. So what about the function on quick? Okay, it's doing something. What about not being false? I mean, not loading. Let's say, what's this? Bro, I'm loading here. Yeah, it is working now. Amazing. Yeah, I did it. Didn't know about this ticking thing. Interfaces and properties for components. Lesson learned. Roger that. Okay, let's go. Oh, it's already dark here.